jewels on the boobs. I can't believe I'm doing this on the internet. Hi guys, it's G. Welcome back to my channel. So you are probably wondering, why on earth am I covering my face? Well, didn't think to film an intro, did I, with no makeup on? So today's video is going to be subscribers pick my festival makeup look. I am shook. I am full on shooketh. So if you want to know what the festival look is and what you guys picked, because let me tell you, you guys were naughty. You even picked the body ones. I say no more. If you want to see what this makeup look is, then just carry on watching. What is my life? Alright, so I'm actually already started off with my base and my liner off camera, and I'm actually going in with the Maybelline mascara as brow gel, one of my favourite tips. Then I'm actually using my Be Perfect Glitter Liquid Shadow. I'm actually taking a really thin brush and all I'm doing is drawing a really fine line in my crease. I'm actually using no eyeshadow in this look. So simple, yeah, it's bloody bomb. You guys know, you are the ones who have decided this festival makeup look. So I put on my Instagram story whether to use my Unicorn Cosmetics Lemon Meringue, which I'm not going to lie, it was the ones that I wanted to use, or my Lily lashes, and you guys wanted me to use Lily lashes, and I am so blown away at how gorgeous these are. Okay. Love these lashes. These are so festival-like. I'm so happy with the lashes. You guys pulled it out the bag. Now that I've done lashes, I'm actually using a little bit of bronzer. This is Benefit Hoola, and I'm running this just under my lash line just to give me a little bit more definition and smokiness. And I'm actually taking my Kat Von D Kohl liner. Now this I'm just popping in my waterline underneath my lashes and smudging it out just to give it a little bit of a smoky smoke. Now it was up to you guys to choose my mascara. It was either Benefit Roller Lash or Maybelline Lash Sensational, and you guys very surprisingly chose Roller Lash. So this is the mascara that I use, and I'm not gonna lie, I love it. Now for cream contour, it was between the Fenty Matte Stick or the Huda Beauty Tantour. Now I'm not gonna lie, I really wanted to use Huda Beauty, but you guys chosen Fenty, so that's the one that we'll be using today. So I'm just applying this to my nose, under my cheekbones, my forehead, a bit under my lip, and once you blend it in, this looks so bomb. So all I'm doing is just applying this to my nose, my lip, under my cheekbones and my forehead. Once I blended that in, I actually go in with a powder bronzer. I'm actually using one of my favourite bronzers, which is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just applying this on top, and it just makes everything blend together so seamlessly. Now for highlighter, surprisingly, this was between Givenchy or Laura Geller. Now, Laura Geller is a very popular highlighter. You guys came through with the Givenchy one. This highlighter is my new favourite product. I got this a while back and I'm just too scared to use it just because it's so beautiful, but look how beautiful that glow is. It is so gorgeous. It blends onto your skin really well, and I just love the effect. Okay. glowing, baby. We are glowing. Now next up is to glow, like dripping glow. So I put on my Instagram story, dripping or nah, and you said dripping. So I'm actually using my Huda Beauty Nymph Liquid Glow for your body and face, and oh my god, this is insane. Now this is where the video actually takes a turn. So I put on my story, what jewels do I wear? Do I wear the face and body jewels to match, which involve the boob ones, which I did not want to do? Or do I just go all out with the face gems? You guys only gone and pick the face and body gems. So I'm actually starting off with the Glamify Beauty Festival face jewels. These are beautiful. As you can see, I just popped this in between my brows. Oh wow. Well, I feel like a friggin' goddess. Oh my god, I am so festival ready. Yes. Can somebody please donate me some tickets for a festival? Please. Now before we get onto the body jewels, we're going to go straight onto lips. So for lips, I actually ended up using my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner with the lipstick. Oh my god, this lipstick is beautiful, something that I never wear. It's very pinky but gorgeous. And then you guys wanted to see gloss. This lip gloss. Oh my god, this lip gloss is so pretty. You guys know I don't wear pink lipsticks. I'm freaking wearing a pink lipstick. Oh, we have a leakage. Hello. Now it's time for the part that I really didn't want to do on the internet, but it's the body jewels, and that means jewels on the boobs. Wow, what has my internet life come to? Alright, so this is, yeah, I'm actually not even gonna look at the camera right now because I need to make sure that I'm not even exposing anything, but people genuinely go out like this. I just don't have the guts, but I did it. This is not clickbait. I genuinely stuck gems on my boobs. I can't believe I'm doing this on the internet. This is my finished look. Alright guys, so Alright guys, so that is the finished makeup look. I am genuinely so obsessed with it. I'm so glad you picked the products. I'm so glad that I got to even use these gems because, oh boy, these are beautiful. I've never ever done a makeup look like this, and I've never done a festival look with pure gems. But anyway, I really do hope you enjoyed this video and had so much fun doing this look. I have no words. This is my favourite look, and it's a look that you basically decided, the products and everything you decided was bloody amazing, even down to the lashes. Like, I didn't even think really I wasn't gonna be too happy with the lashes, with the look. No, you guys pulled it out the bag. Thank you. I'm so happy. Definitely going to be doing more in the future where you decide what I'm going to be doing, whether that's a haul, whether that's a makeup look. Definitely look out for more. Thank you so much for getting involved on my Instagram. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Hello, please stay on. My crown is flinging off. My gems are gleaming the way they shine. I know you'll see them. We have a leakage. Hello. Oh.